In today's video, I will be removing this back piece. I honestly don't know if you can see that. This back piece right here. Now I've already unscrewed this piece of plastic, this tray, from the metal base. And I've popped all of the clips that would normally hold the wireless charger in to its bottom plate. I actually don't remember how I got this out. This, and then hang on. LTT screwdriver and a flathead bit. For anyone who actually cares, this is probably painful. It might be easier to just try and pop it out from the bottom. There, okay. It's very odd. I don't have a tripod for like holding anything right now. So now that this is out, along with its bottom tray, you can see I've already unscrewed everything from there. There's another tutorial on YouTube on how to do this where he 3D prints something. I don't care enough to do that. Earlier, I didn't record any of this, but I did cut this metal strip that would normally pull the tray forwards. It doesn't affect anything as far as I've noticed. And what's next, and all I need to do now, is just unscrew this screw and this screw to remove the tray. So I will use my iFixit kit that's currently holding up my laptop to do that. Yes, this is being recorded on a Framework laptop with its internal microphones, if they're working, and its internal camera. This is my iFixit Minnow. You saw me, well, I don't know what it's called. I unboxed this earlier. This is why I needed it. I swear, if I do not have the right bits, it's going to be sad. There it is. The correct bit is the Torx T6H. Grab this screw, drop it down there, and this screw, which is stuck. Oh, I can also grab this and drop it in there, because I don't need it. It's really hard to show you guys, I'm sorry. We're doing this while the car is live with pop. The screw fell somewhere. It's gone now. So now that I have that together and the back tray removed, and also just to mention, in case anyone's worried, I have not had my battery die on me yet in my car. It does turn off automatically. The tray on the back is really dumb. clip this back together. For the most part. Lastly, grab the LTT screwdriver. I should probably test this first. I'll grab my Sony Xperia. Best phone ever. And drop it right on. It's not charging. Let's see. Okay. Is it different from last time? Did I disconnect something by accident? I guess we're pulling it apart again. It needs to be reset every once in a while. Cool. I'm gonna have to figure out how to remove the metal strip completely. Good thing behind me I have a pair of scissors. So yes, every once in a while I will need to slide back that tray just to reset the switch. Like, actually. Okay. I know. Yes, now, okay. Okay, I can reset it now. Wow. They might have actually put that tray in because of a design flaw that they didn't feel like fixing. If that's true, wow, that's BMW quality right there. Honestly, seeing Tesla, that wouldn't surprise me. Although comparing them is like comparing apples and oranges. Okay, so hang on. This video is not going to get much editing. So like, how the fuck do I edit this? Screws. There. Okay, that should be good. And then he runs the cooling fan with the car's cooling. So I can now charge my phone in here, and eventually I'll need to reset it. That was not a tutorial, if it wasn't clear. Have a good day. I don't know why you watched this, but thank you for watching.